everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you on a little look behind the scenes, but I wanted to share with you this cool little tool. So this is the Telesin Mini Fogger, and I actually bought it in a Black Friday sale last year just on a whim. But man, is this thing amazing, and I keep dragging it out for shoots and workshops. It is so easy to use. I've actually got it in the vase here that my model Skye is using, and we've just got the little remote that comes off it, so I can just set up the shot and then just hit the go button. And it's got 3 different modes. It's got steam, although I don't think the steam works that well, but the fog and the dry ice is amazing, whether I'm using it for adding fog or smoke to a shot, or if I'm adding, that's it there, adding something to cocktails, anything like that. Skye's just holding it here behind the flowers because it's so small you can easily hide it, and it doesn't get hot or anything like that. So we were just getting some amazing shots. I'm just showing Skye one of the shots that we were getting. So it was just so much fun doing this. And we had this idea to do this sort of Ophelia-inspired shoot. So we had this kiddie pool up, and we had black plastic and fabric and everything over it. And we had Skye in a couple of different outfits, and we were playing with the mini fogger and just adding some depth and drama and atmosphere to our shots. It's a fabulous little tool to use. And now something really exciting, I've actually got a discount code. So the lovely people at Telesin have gotten in contact with me, and they have set up a 15% discount code. So I'll put the link below. Just put in Julie Powell as the code, and you can get 15% off not just this mini fogger, but any of the other fabulous Telesin products. So here's just some of the images from our Ophelia shoot. This is where we had the fogger either in behind the flowers, or I was putting it on the water and just giving that beautiful atmosphere to it. It was fabulous to use on this shoot. This was the other slightly different costume change that we did, and that's a little fogger there. So I'll put the link below. If you want to grab a copy, go for it.